Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we can do it using our contact list, directly our contact list, or we can do it using the dialer settings. So of course I will show you both options, and let's begin with the contact list. So let's tap on dialer, go to your contacts and find the contact you'd like to block. Let's tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got block numbers option, so simply tap on it and your device is telling you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So simply tap on block. As you can see here, we've got the blocked icon. So as your device said, we won't receive actually anything from this number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping here and tapping on Unblock Numbers, but let me leave it like this because I would like to check if it has been added to the blacklist. So now let me get back, and the other option about which I wanted to tell you is the dialer settings. So we can do it using contact, recent or favorites. It doesn't really matter because you can simply tap on this three dots icon and enter the settings. As you can see here, we've got blocked numbers option, so let's tap on it, and this is our blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contact list. What's more, here we've got the unknown option, so we can turn it on, and since it will be activated, your device will block calls from unidentified callers. So just tap on the switcher to activate that. To turn it off, just tap on it again, but let me leave it turned on. And here we can add a number, and after tapping on this option, you can see that you can manually type the number, so you don't have to, save it on your contact list and then block it, but you can just directly type the number you want to block. If you're ready, just tap on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist. Of course, you can unblock them the same way, just by tapping on this X button and tapping on unblock, and from now on the blacklist is empty. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.